Did you personally ever clash with Bodyguard?
Well, that was the sound system that gave me my break
Was
as a
Bodyguard?
certified. Yeah, man, Bodyguard was a sound that I killed. Like I can say that I killed. First sound actually kill with
Yeah.
a bad DJ with me actually respect and rate. At
Hmm.
that time it was Johnny and Firelings playing Bodyguard,
Hmm.
you know. And remember say my name now as the little young shut up and stone of where actually can stand up. Them time I know me can stand up and play the song by myself. Like rock a whole party by myself.
Yeah.
Build the party, bring the people in the party, hold the people in the party, play different genre of music in the party, entertain the crowd. So them time you know me establish as one of the new sensation and all of that.
Hmm.
So with that party now, it was a challenge because it was the first time now that party you know Slaughter was on tour. Every other big DJs were on tour. Slaughter up on tour, Road up on tour, Jeep was up on tour. So the only people them that was going down to that dance was me and
Hmm.
Bill Cosby. I think Swamp Thing was there too. And that dance was Stone of Metro and Bodyguard.
Okay.
So when when we're at the studio preparing and people was telling me whatever I want, we can get it voice. So I start put my stuff together and what me I gonna do and when we want to play. And at that time, as you know, Stone of is very great. I have a great respect with all DJs. So at
Yeah.
that time, Buju Banton had the Still Shallow album coming up. And we had a good relationship with Buju, as you know, over the years. So
Hmm.
we actually had the pleasure to listen to some of the tracks on the album. And we pick out the tracks that we wanted on dub, like Hills and Valley, Till Shiloh, Till I'm Laid to Rest. Most of the hits off of the album, we actually basically had the album on dub.
Yeah.
So that dance was in a place in Bodyguard, hometown, and playing Stone Up and going through all of these places and you go against sound system that is in their area. I know what to expect because with the turbophonic thing and all of that, I
Hmm.
expect that okay, we're in their place, so what I'm gonna do different to actually win the crowd. So the first thing I did was not to be the aggressor.
Got you.
Let them come at me.
Hmm.
All right. And then in that party, you know, we were ready for the party, but what Bodyguard used was this strategy where them say, all right, Firelinks is the main man. So when the party are gone, I tried to get out Metro Media from just locking them off out of the party so I could actually deal with Bodyguard.
Got you.
So me and Bodyguard actually work for Metro till me cuss them and so Sky Juice it don't even make no sense. I bet you just no bother play. Cause no man know you so no want see you and your titty them. So I better you just take out yourself. Just excuse me. So me did lock off Metro Media and that was a good message to me that yeah go on you. I have the
Mhm.
confidence to talk to them generally so you know and Sky Juice actually lock off and cuss and I say yo uno re. So in the party now, I was going round for round with Bodyguard for like we did four four or three for
Okay.
rounds,
Hmm.
and it was very very hard. But what happened? It wasn't links at the time around the sound system. They had other DJs that them they pretty good too. So them a fire at me and them a chat and them a say some things and my time come in and me I say some things that time the way I prepare for the party, I tell myself so I not go wear any clothes with them use your clothes. Cause if you wear a shirt as a stone of an all 5 out of the same shirt, they must say buy one get one free. So me go to a tailor, I make the tailor make one this sweater thing for me cause down there it cold
Hmm.
and it was in white and we make them put my name on it cause they try to promote themselves. So that party now, that dancer now, when me I got Bodyguard 3 rounds for round, like everybody just it undecisive. So in other country now, you have the done them down there, them a fire them shot when they play certain songs.
Yeah.
And they know Stone of now I play for the mass in the party, but we not have no shot of fire for we, but we are going good still, But when Bodyguard I hear gunshot now, like I'm gonna say, yo, you know, like Bodyguard and then gun so at that time though, this was when me actually feel like me dey lose 20 pounds at the party. Like one time I feel like me lose 20 pounds because somehow in the wee hours of the morning after me a sweat and me a try hard to keep up and it's like a boxing and you box and you're tired and you're beat out but you not give up, you know. And then here comes firelings in the morning now, like them plan it to say, all right, when him beat out, the energy man are gonna come in and just done it. So when Bodyguard come in and them say, all right, we're ready for Stone of Dead now. And me I said, then you know, I said this all night, oh me can't dead and I'm ready for dead now. And then at this now when me hear them say part the crowd. I mean me not have a clue what I go on. Cause me I would say if me not see firelings around the sound from the war start, you see them they are firing or somewhere. So when time them say clear the crowd, I me see them take a runway. And them give him the remote microphone. And when firing say Mayday, I start run through the crowd. I feel like I have asthma, diarrhea, everything. Diabetes. Me I said, no, I gotta drop down more to them. Could give me some water, cause I'm gonna come with a bag of things. So like when me I gonna do now.
Yeah.
I have songs, you know. But the energy when me fight. So the first thing when links come on, links I want to that cow here and when I'm white something, you got milk. I want bag of something, man. I'm gonna chat some sitting here, man. I'm gonna make some nice, you know, man. And then more gunshots start firing on me. I start to feel like Jesus Christ. And when me, I go to know.
Yeah.
Me have the song them, but I feel them place on them. And me, I fight them all along. And then here comes this extra energy now. I mean, I have the energy if I got through now, where immature.
Yeah.
And then what happened now? Somehow God just sent me the Stone of fans them from die off the Stone of fans them from town.
Yeah.
You know, Willie Agard was there, them come down. I know when them town man they are floss and the Benz and the beam. And in my country, I see country people I see this tons of bike I drive. I ride this one bag of man and them say Benz and them say them say the Wally per vehicle and them say the Roses crew and them I say God bless crew and convertible beam and convertible to come a country now. If a country clash now, everybody I say, what is? And then Willie and Bogle and every man just come stand up around Stone of to show you say Stone of them come for support.
Yeah.
So when Bodyguard them play and gunshot them fire and a bag of things now and them say Stone of time, me don't prepare my little thing already. Cause for the whole night links I call me big and fat and rare. And I say, alright, Stone of a song named Stone of you have to fit. Me not fit, but me know me can angle it. So
yeah.
me decide say when me I play that song, me I go try the 2 push up. And me say me not do more than 2 because if me do 3 push up and can't make the last one, I'm gonna play the song, you know fit.
Yeah.
So me make sure say me could have did the 2 push up. So when them comes as a Stone and them turn the light for me, I'm say, hey boy, I'm gonna do it in the wicked. I'm gonna come say I'm gonna go say I'm going and come say 1, 2 and get up back and say, hey boy, that time me I blew hard and get up. Hey boy, watch me, I wanna know. And comes have the Stone of you have to fit. And the whole place start much up and then you know my crew from town just start blaze be a shot too. And that just ignite me and me find one energy and me just start dealing with fire links and I go at him and I say, you call me cow, look how the cow I got done here. I mean I say all who say the cow for done him say moo and everyone dance and moo and bag of sit. One talking bag of sit man. And then him come back here now and try again, but this time the energy when him coming at the first part wasn't so strong as the next one.
Got you.
So by that time now when Stone of come back in, the sun was about to come up. The sun was about to set. So that was the part now when I say, all right, me I'm gonna play the whole of that Buju album because it was already being played on the radio as Buju new album. And me I say, if everybody notice where we are at in a country, at a place where there's a lot of hills and valley, you know. So when we come and drop the Buju and him say, Stone Love kill the sound them over hills and the whole of country. I said, Jesus Christ, I will find a song the sea valley and the hill. You see me, I tell everybody if you find to the hill and you know, by the time I trouble links and I say, the whole night you know shame. The whole night you cost and make one bag of nice and people are beat you over the smell the time up. Cause all him do a ball out like somebody are beat him. And was a good vibes. At the end of the night, I came out victorious. Everybody was like, no, sir.
Yeah.
Him boss, no, him are the man. Firelinks literally cried that night. Like ball. The man in him ball. Like me see him live in high water. Him a pass me and no one. Like him a pass me and vex.
Yeah.
I may I say, and me never remember say, me never take it to heart. When him a pass me, I call him and I go like everything nice. I know say him have me up. And me I say, Links, yo, come talk to the camera. Hey. And him a say, yo man, you don't know. When him a walk in, say, don't tell nobody say, see me a crying.
Yeah.
So till currently, till couple of years ago, they have this thing called Sound Chat.
Yeah.
And there was a WhatsApp group with sound system from all over the globe. And Links was in the group, and a lot of us matter. And it so that this same clash came up, and I was saying to them that was a dance that bust me killing Firelink and Bodyguard. And then somebody told Link, and Links joined that evening, and me and him go at it in the chat room because he might tell me, say, me never kill him. Because him I say him did a play Bodyguard. And me I say then who did a play Bodyguard?
Yeah.
No Firelink. So if me kill Bodyguard, you're not dead with the sound. You never left and gone and as your own to call yourself Fire Sound and Firelink yet.
Yeah.
A Bodyguard did a play. And that the catapult me to another level now where Reaper say, all right, everybody start call. When the bookings are coming, them I say, Nico, Nico? How much you Nico? And then Nico price go up. Because if you want Nico come at your party, if you normally play $3,000, you have to play $4,000. Me don't know about the organization and the money, but me know said wait there for my name.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.